Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to zoom in text in Mattermost or simply enlarge texts. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and log into your Mattermost account. And then in this case, I'm using my demo one, but it's going to be the same way. It will work the same way. So to enlarge text here, all I need to do really is press on Control on your keyboard and then press the plus sign on your numpad or on your keyboard as well. So let me show you. So you can see here, it's now zooming in. You can do the opposite by pressing the minus sign to zoom it out. Alternatively, if you have a mouse wheel, you can also press Control and just move your mouse wheel up and down. And basically that's it. Now you know how to zoom in text in Mattermost or simply enlarge text in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!